Understanding the difference between graphics design and web design. Graphic design and web design are two distinct disciplines within the realm of visual communications. While both involve creating visually appealing designs, they differ in several key aspects. The purpose of this introduction is to emphasize the difference between graphic design offline and web design graphics online, focusing on parameters such as file size consideration, RGB and CMYK consideration, font appearance consideration, and DPI, that is dots per inch consideration. By understanding this variation, you gain powerful insight into the unique requirements and challenges faced by web designers with regards to knowing the difference in each field. So, let's begin with the first difference, which is file consideration. Let's x-ray the graphic designer that works offline. In graphic design, file size is typically larger because designs are created for high-quality print outputs. The resolution and file formats used in graphic design allow for detailed and sharp images, since the designs are not limited by web constraints. The file sizes can be larger without affecting the print quality. Let's consider the web designer that works online. Web design requires smaller file sizes to ensure fast loading times and optimize user experience. That is talking about websites. Web designers compress images and use file formats like JPEG, PNG, or GIF with lower resolutions and optimize compression to reduce file sizes while maintaining visual quality. Smaller file sizes help web pages load quickly, especially for users with slower internet connections. Number two difference, RGB and CMYK considerations. For graphic designers that work offline, graphic design primarily utilizes the CMYK color mode, which is suitable for print production. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key, that is black, and is used to create designs that accurately reproduce colors in print materials. Graphic designers work with printers to ensure that their designs are printed using the CMYK color space. Web designers that work online. Web designers primarily uses the RGB color mode, which is suitable for digital displays. RGB stands for red, green, and blue, and is the standard color model for screens. Web designers online create designs with RGB colors to ensure accurate representation on computer monitors, mobile devices, and other digital displays. Let's look at the third major difference, that is font appearance consideration. For graphic designers that work offline, they have more freedom in terms of font selection and appearance, since their designs are intended for print. They can use a wide range of fonts, including custom and decorative ones, to create visually appealing designs. The fonts chosen in graphic designs are not restricted by web browser compatibility. For web designers that work online, web designers in image creation need to consider font compatibility across different web browsers and devices. They often use web-safe fonts or aimed web fonts that can be accessed by web browsers to maintain consistency across platforms. Web designers also pay attention to font sizes, line height, and spacing to ensure readability and accessibility on various screen sizes. Then finally, another major difference is DPI, that is dots per inch consideration. Regarding graphic designers that work offline, DPI is an important consideration in graphic design, particularly font print. Higher DPI settings are typically used to achieve sharp and detailed prints. Printers often require designs with a minimum DPI to ensure quality output, especially for projects like brochures, posters, or magazines. But with web designers that work online concerning graphics, DPI is not directly applicable in web design because screens have a fixed pixel density, usually measured in pixels per inch PPI or dots per inch DPI. However, web designers still consider screen resolutions and optimize their designs to look sharp and clear across different devices, regardless of the specific DPI value. These differences highlight the specific considerations and requirements of graphic design and web design in relation to file sizes, color modes, font compatibility, and considerations for digital and print outputs. As I round off this introduction to the difference between web design and graphic design online and offline, graphic design and web design are separate yet interconnected domains that require distinct skill sets and considerations. Graphic designers offline delve into the world of print media, where files size, CMYK, color mode, font choices, DPI settings play vital roles in achieving high quality outputs. On the other hand, web designers online navigate the digital landscape, optimizing file sizes, utilizing RGB color modes, ensuring font compatibility, and adapting to various screen resolutions. By recognizing and appreciating these differences, we can better comprehend the specific demands and expertise required in graphic design and web design offline and online, ultimately fostering effective visual communication in both realms.